Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to change the theme of a specific chat or how to set the theme of a specific chat on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then go for the chat in which you want to change the theme. Open the tab and then tap at the username on the very top, and then here you can see the theme option. Just simply tap on it. So here you can find multiple of themes. If you want to change it or if you want to set a theme, just simply select the theme which one you like. Now just simply come back to see it. So here you can see we have just changed this theme. So now if you want to change it, just simply tap at change theme here, and then you can change it. If you want to remove it, just simply scroll it a little bit. Here you can find a monochrome option. Just simply tap on it to remove that specific theme. So that's how you can easily change the theme of a specific chat on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I will get you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys.